Hello friends, welcome back again to our Trima dedicated video channel. Today being the first day of May. It's good we start in a good note. So I want to share with you this Telegram bot where you earn unlimited BitTorrent token. Now the first thing I want to show you is actually currently as of today, even though it's running on a kind of a bearish run, there's some kind of slash in price. But currently, BitTorrent is sold at this price on Binance. So this is a coin that is already on Binance. It's not like all these shit coins coming up here and there. So that's the price of BitTorrent. BitTorrent, yes, the price is still so low. But remember, coins like this are very important because they can only go higher. They can only make improvement in the coming years and all that. You might end up seeing this coin being $1 full. And imagine getting it at this time 0.0001 dollar, and you are earning free. So I'm going to show you how to earn free from this this particular coin. You earn so many of them free. That's exactly what this video is all about. So let's go on now and see how it works. I'm going to take you to this this is a Telegram bot. Sorry for that little delay. This is a Telegram bot where you earn this. So far, so good. See what I've earned so far. And this is free. I have my Tron wallet where I have these coins now or there. I have many of them. I've earned and made withdrawal. So why I'm saying this is one, the coin is already listed in the coin market. It's on Binance trading. And it's not only that, once you earn and you make withdrawal, you're going to have your withdrawal to your whatever. And that's how the system works. Nothing like we're making it and it's dropping it there. So now this is what I've already earned so far. And it's very important you know this. You can see it. This is a 51,000 plus I've already earned so far. Now, there are 2 or 3 major ways to earn here. Number one, immediately you sign up on this system, as you're going to see the link to sign up, the system pays you instantly. That is when you must have completed simple task of like join this group, join this channel and all that. That's the simplest thing you're going to do, or follow our Twitter page and all that. Now, having done that, then every single day you come here. If you check this menu now, let me show you this menu. I'm going to do that. Let me make a claim. Okay, let me go to my earnings first. Okay, let me go to claim daily reward. You see daily reward. Now, every single day, 24 hours time, look at it. I just claim on daily reward that I got 25,000 plus of this BitTorrent token. It's on that TRC20 network. That's on that Tron network. That's where it's hosted. Now, I've got this. You can see what I got now, just free. Every single day I do this. So apart from what I earned when I joined, I keep doing this and earning every day. Now, if I want to earn more, all I need to do what? I share my referral link. And that's what I'm going to do right now. You're going to see this referral link and click on it to join. Remember, it's not compulsory now. But it's very important. Since it's free, let your friends know about this. Give them referral link, guide them with this video. When they register, let them just do the simplest things. And you earn, they earn. And nobody cheats on the other. Everybody's earning. And that's how fantastic it is. That is one of the good things you can wish your friend in this first day of the month of May. So just follow this and click on the link. Follow the instructions. Do all those little social media tasks. And then start earning every day. If you are going to ask of maybe how to, because before you withdraw, you need to set up your wallet address. So that like going to see here, change withdrawal wallet. If you click on it now, the system will tell you, like in this case, say it is not sent. You are currently assigned BTT TRC20 wallet address is not set. Please know that this wallet address will be used for all future withdrawals. So once you want to add it now, you need to click on this set change wallet. Why they say set change is that if you have added something before and decide to change it, you can do that. So you just put your wallet address of BTT. If you go to Trust Wallet, you're going to see it. If you go to Binance, can generate it. Just put it here. Remember, make sure it's the one under TRC20. You can see BTT under Binance Smart Chain, BSC. You can see it under any other network, Ethereum or whatever, ERC. But this one is under TRC20. That is Tron Network. Make sure if you don't understand how this things work, you are not too good in crypto, then ask question on the comment box, and I'm going to guide you in all of this. So I'm going to stop at this point. Every other question you have, use the comment box to ask me. You can as well reach out to me more using my WhatsApp line you're going to see on this video description. Aside that, I encourage you, sign up with this. It's a free token. Nobody's going to ask you to pay anything. And if you're new to this channel, do it to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it makes sense to you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.